Jai Shri Ram. Sundarkanda Parayanam, Chapter 39. Hanuman prepares to leave Sita Devi. After Sita Devi gave the Chudamani to Hanuman, she said, Rama will recognize the Chudamani. This will remind Rama of my mother, my father-in-law, King Dashratha, and me. When I was leaving my birth house with Sri Rama, I forgot the Chudamani. My mother reminded me and gave it to me in front of my father-in-law. That is why when my husband looks at it, he will be very happy. You must enthusiastically think about how to complete this work with success. This work is your responsibility. You must try to remove sorrows. Even Sita Devi trusted Hanuman to complete the task successfully. We can also pray to Hanuman that he will reveal to us what our next best action should be. Hanuman replied, Certainly. Just when Hanuman was about to start, Sita Devi said once more in a choked voice, O Hanuman, explain my situation to everyone. Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva and the elderly monkeys. Tell them I inquired about them. It is your responsibility to ensure that Sri Rama lifts me up from the sea of sorrow. Narrate my message in such a way that Sri Rama will come immediately and take me away from here. Hanuman bowed down his head and respectfully spoke thus, As soon as I tell Sri Rama, I will make sure he marches with the army of monkeys and apes. That great warrior will conquer everyone. That great man will remove your sorrow. No one here can withstand Sri Rama's arrows. Sri Rama will take you back victoriously and rule the earth to the ends of time. O Janaka's daughter, because of you, Sri Rama will rule the entire world. Sita Devi was very happy upon hearing Hanuman's pleasing words. She was looking at Hanuman again and again. With love for her husband, she said, Hanuman, you are an expert. If you wish, take rest and then proceed. If you stay close for at least a short time, I will forget my sorrows. O Hanuman, you have to return fast, so start quickly. It is doubtful if I will be alive or dead by the time you return. After you leave here, my misery will increase. Please come back. Oh Hanuman, I have a big doubt. How can the apes and monkeys cross the sea with you? How will Sri Rama and Lakshmana cross? Only Vayudeva, Garuda and you have the power to cross the sea. No one else has that power. How is it possible to cross the ocean? You alone are the best person to solve this. You are powerful. You will be famous, but Sri Rama should fight in the battle, kill Ravana and victoriously take me back. That will be honorable for me. If Sri Rama can destroy Lanka with his arrows and take me back, he will be respected. So Hanuman, help Sri Rama with your unusual valor and ensure that this task is completed successfully. Hanuman replied to Sita Devi's sudden shift of thoughts. O Devi, the monkeys, apes and their king Sugriva are all fully determined to complete this task. Sugriva will march here with millions of monkeys. They are all efficient warriors. They are very strong and fully equipped. They can all fly in the sky or dive in the sea. They can travel without any interruption. They are all enthusiastically waiting. They have traveled many times in the sky and the sea. There are more efficient warriors with Sugriva. There is no one less than me. If I can cross the sea, they are all stronger than me and they can too. Do not worry about the monkeys and ape army. They will all be here in a snap. I will carry Sri Rama and Lakshmana on my back. You will see them as the rising sun and moon. The two brothers with arrows will destroy Lanka and kill Ravana along with others. Sri Rama will take you back to Ayodhya. O Mata, patiently count the days and it will be good luck for you. Like a burning fire, Sri Rama will arrive soon and you will see him. You will soon see Sri Rama and Lakshmana at the entrance of Lanka. You will witness the arrival of apes and monkeys. Mountain-sized, elephant-sized, cloud-sized and in groups. Groups of warriors with lion-like roars will fight like lions with their teeth and claws. O Mata, do not cry and feel sad. There is no one greater than Sri Rama and both brothers are your well-wishers. They are like fire and wind. You will not be here for long. It is only a matter of my meeting Sri Rama. They will be here. Be patient for a few more days. Jai Shri Ram. Sundarkanda Parayanam, Chapter 39 complete.